All right, welcome YouTube. This is my first time you see my face talking to the camera at the same time, and for the first video it won't even be me being me. I'm actually going to be impersonating somebody, so I'll be the dude being another dude. Hope you enjoy this. Going to be impersonating somebody who's needed their due for a long time. They're part of the RV community, and I think you'll recognize who it is. See you in a second. Hey everybody, this is... I'm going to be doing another one of those reviews of an abandoned location. This one happens to be an abandoned tiny home, so come on with me. Look at that smokestack on this tiny home. So here it is, an abandoned tiny home. Should be quite interesting. It's definitely a tiny one. Let's see what it looks like. Hi sir, I just wanted to know, do you mind if we go ahead and look in this abandoned tiny home here?
Oh heck, I don't care. It's not mine.
Oh, you don't own it?
No, I've seen people going in there all day taking a look. You do what you want.
Oh, okay. Well, thanks for your permission.
Yeah, well, no problem.
I appreciate you. All right, let's take a closer look here on the outside. Look at that texture. That's original texture right there. Nice and original. Look at that. Even got a seam line. A good seam. You don't see that on every building. All right, let's take a look around here. What else is going on? It's got a good foundation. Look at that rock. That's an original rock. Man, you don't see that every day. All right, let's see. We got, oh look, they got decorative rocks out there, and got a couple, like a little porch with a sky view. That looks nice. Let's just see here what kind of view you got out this window. Oh my gosh. Is that cool or what? Can you imagine looking out your tiny home and seeing this? That sky is amazing. Look at those mountains. Let's see how this other window looks. Oh my goodness. That's beautiful out there. That is awesome view. It's almost like there's an echo in here. That's probably like an original echo in this place. All right, let's look inside. Okay, let's see. This is the room right here. Oh, man, you can feel that. First thing I noticed is the odor. It's an original odor. Pretty familiar to most people, I think. Let's see. Oh, got a little skylight, a little protection from the elements. It's you see interesting mirrors on some of my videos, but you don't see a triangle window. That one's kind of different. Let's see. Oh, there's right there. Look at that. Must be one of the occupants. All right, let's see what else is in this room. Oh hell, it comes. Well, look at that right there. That's a 20-year-old stain right there. That's awesome. Okay, oh look at that. There's a nice chair in here. Let's try that chair out. We need to test it. See how sturdy it is. Let's give the old chair a try. Hell yeah. That's a mighty fine chair. That's a good chair. Here, look at this right here. You see this? Now every home, tiny or not, should have a great set of toilet paper rolls. That way you never run out. That's what you need. Well heck, look at that. Look at this storage. Look at this storage. Holy cow. There's something crawling around down there. Ooh, I better not show you that. That's bad. But lots of storage in here. Look, it's got a little railing, keep you from falling over. Whew, about to pass out. It's got another window. Look, it even helps you with your garbage. Now, how can you beat that? An abandoned tiny home? That right there is vintage. Almost forgot to show you the hook in case you need to hang your jacket up before you come in. That's important. That's a 20-year-old hook right there. Look, this place has the original handle. It's got original no smoking sign too. Up, you can't get lost in here. You'll find your way with that original sign. It even tells you where you can sit. So that is the vintage 1998 tiny home. It's a one-room studio. Can't do much smaller than that. Well, hope you enjoy. A lot of traffic. A lot of traffic. This place gets a lot of traffic. Well, I hope you enjoyed my visit to this tiny home that's been abandoned. Good God, man. Oh my gosh, this was so much fun. I hope you enjoyed our time at this tiny abandoned tiny home. And you got to subscribe and like to our channel. And hit that bell so you know when the next one's coming, because you just never know where we're going to find the next abandoned location. Thank y'all. This is from. Have a good one. All right, anybody figure out who that was? Yeah, I don't think it was that tough either. That was Marc from the Art of RVing. And want to say hi to Kari while we're doing this, because she's the sweetheart of that team. And I hope you all enjoyed it. I think he got just what he likes to give, and we adore him for it. Thanks so much. See you next time.